So guys, once again welcome to live trade. So now let us watch. So this one position I've taken, just I'm seeing it. If you want, I just remove this, no worries, just remove it. So at 120, markets pretty much sideways, nothing much more action we have seen in it. So now let us watch. Market pretty much sideways, and now coming towards downstream. Let us watch. Meanwhile, I wanted to take a couple of trades, but what was the issue is that market's not giving any opportunities. So exactly at these resistance, it's taking some level of rejection. So if we want a proper candle, then we need to wait for some time. Meanwhile, Bank Nifty, I've been telling, it's trading below 200-day average, so it'll bounce now. No doubt, it's gonna bounce. And Bank Nifty, if somehow today closes below 40,693 or 700 levels, then you can anticipate for 40,000 is your next target in P. But if it closes above this level, so Mark, look at this is the important level. So if it crosses below this level, you need to understand markets is just, it was just a correction mode. So now let us watch. Now somehow struggling at the downways. Is it becoming a double bottom or triple bottom? Let us watch. Is it becoming a double or triple bottom? Let us watch. Meanwhile, Nifty is sufficient towards the upper side. I feel they may break the barrier, or it may take a rejection this time. This time it may take a rejection or barrier. Let us find out. I'll draw the. So here you go. This is the support level in an intraday short, exactly coming and taking. So is it going to be a double bottom, triple bottom, or this time the pressure is going to be high? Let us watch. Now says tuned. Markets completely deviated. Either any side it can trade. Either any side it can trade. Meanwhile, I have some couple of information. So here is the first one. Excel. This is according to open interest. So I'll just look over here. Yesterday, that is March 9th. Again, every time whenever they're buying 35,000 index long, they're shorting this much. So if you calculate by that, you can get to know the estimation. So let us do. So look over there now, 60% there towards the short. Meanwhile, so no, this is not accurate. Just a minute. So by this we get to know that the accuracy of their. So how the FIs are trading is every one long call if they take, they're shorting the market 5 times, 5 contracts they'll be shorting it, not the market, sorry. So like this, and meanwhile this is the in open interest. Meanwhile in volume growth, not much needed. So here you go, volume levels. Still the volume for index shorting is higher compared to the long, but somehow let us watch. Meanwhile, I'll be just up to the market, I'll be holding it. Meanwhile, once again, Bank Nifty coming towards day low, not day low, near to day low. Is it taking support? Let us watch. Markets are completely now choppy, completely sideways. So now it's 125. So just anticipate up to 2 o'clock, then we'll get an idea what is the market actually wants to do. Meanwhile, IV, if you want to see, just a second, IV is trading at 13. This is all just blow up. Meanwhile, let me just put an eye on SBI. SBI just 1 points up. Actually, the ICICI Bank is doing pretty much good. ICICI Bank somehow holding it up, followed by HDFC 2 given up. So it's completely sideways now. Let us watch. Are they going to short further in these sectors, or still there's much more towards the upper side? Anything is possible, guys. Anything possible, and the two first time the IT sector and banking sectors are falling together almost. Otherwise, in most of the cases, if you have noticed that IT, if they're down, then banking sectors or finance will lead it. Finance and banking is down, IT will lead the Nifty bank. Meanwhile, let us watch. Let us watch now what are the FIs are gonna do. Let us live trade. So meanwhile, I was just looking into the premiums option chain. From there, if you look at the premium unsettled, so almost now 4800 and 4200 seems to be little possible. So one thing you need to understand is that in this market, premium both the side is high, because of which premium writing is too high, guys. They're buying in they're selling in large, and both the side. So you need to stay active. Premium decays will be very fast now, and the two, today is Friday, today at least better. Monday, Tuesday is Fin Nifty expiry, because of which the premium decay will be very high at Tuesday. So if you have your position today itself, you need to close it off, otherwise it will be wasted. So now let us watch market now. What is planning to do? What is the market planning to do? Is it gonna go for 41,000 or what? Let us watch if it is planning, or is it going for 40k. Anything possible, anything is possible. So let us watch. So meanwhile, let us watch now. SBI coming towards the low somehow. ICICI and HDFC somehow fighting it. Let us watch what it intends to do. Meanwhile, lot of traders are now actually pretty much, I guess, wiped out or stuck. If we have taken put, some majority of the time what happens is, because last week and all the rally was so intense that so many people miss the opportunity, so they wait for this yesterday's dip to buy. When they bought for the 16th March expiry, they're stuck now. Call people, so heavy call writing was up there at the closing hour. FIs had shortened the market a lot yesterday's expiry, but yesterday the main effect came from the US market. The reason I'm not able to find it, just a minute. But if you ask me, I feel okay. So yesterday the shares of US based Silicon Valley Bank crashed 60% after it launched a $1.75 billion capital raise to make up for $1.8 billion loss from a forced sale of its security portfolio. Okay, that's the reason there's heavy selling in banking sectors. That's the reason. Meanwhile, Nasdaq is unknown. Okay, Nasdaq. Okay, this was in Nasdaq itself. That was 60% hammered. So people who have call written are the winners, and people who have bought the put are more winner. So let us watch. Now once again it's fighting above, so we don't know exactly what they're planning to do, but one thing is for sure, both the side the writing is going on. Both the side the put writers are active, because its market is completely giving choppy sideways. Meanwhile, is it W forming in Bank Nifty? So let us just yeah. So look at this. Just take this, the first rejection, second support, third rejection. I feel this is the target. May head or may not. Let us watch. But do remember, I have suggested it may be forming. So let us watch patiently. Now market stuck at 40,480. So I think yesterday or day before yesterday I had told you that if Nifty Bank doesn't cross 41,700 or closes above 41,600, it may head towards 40,500, and within 2 days we can see the result. So now it is in important level, so Monday itself will be deciding for me. Monday will be deciding, but I feel it may take a support here. I do believe it may take a support. So now the important support level is at 39,500, that is the 200-day moving average. I'm telling SMA, simple moving average. So let us watch now. Stuck in the range, Bank Nifty and Nifty stuck in the range. Meanwhile, Nifty is actually trading below 200-day moving average. Below 200-day moving average, Nifty is trading. So the 200-day moving average, simple moving average, comes at yes. Just a minute. It's trading at 17,433.74, and clearly Nifty is trading below that. So you need to expect some bounce now, no doubt. Market will be in bouncing mode. Meanwhile, what is the MMI telling me? Market mood index. Couple of other where I refer to in order to trade. I think SBI sell-off. Yes, in SBI there's a sell-off, followed by ICICI Bank, and HDFC is holding. Quick bounce in ICICI Bank. Meanwhile, the market mood index, it is in still fear zone, in a heavy fear zone. So market may actually suggest the investor are fearful in the market, but the action to be taken depends on the MMI trajectory. So still it's not in extreme fear, that is in oversold region, it's not at there. So let us watch how we'll act to according to it. Meanwhile, I feel somehow it may bounce from here, this level, or tomorrow itself we'll get to know. No worries, let us watch. Now ICICI Bank supporting it. Move further weakness in Bank Nifty, guys. ICICI and SBI both are in selling mode. 2% cut on it. So what's happening? What's cooking now? FIs have entered or what? Let us watch. Further weakness in it. Look at that, coming towards day low. Further weakness in it. Heavy call writing going on now. Further coming towards day low. Let us watch. So which one is the dragging? I think SBI is coming towards day low. Yes, SBI towards day low. Now ICICI Bank giving it up. I think HDFC supporting it. No. I think this closing will be important for today closing. So let us watch. At 135, what are the FIs mood now? Are they want to sell it or what? Let us watch. The DI's liquidity is over. What they're gonna do? They're gonna pump in more liquidity, that is put money into the market, or they want to remove more money from the market. Let us watch. Anything is possible. Meanwhile, Nifty Fin Service 350 points down. Nifty Bank 800 points, followed by Sensex 754, and followed by Nifty, that is 200 points. So this was a roller coaster ride. People who bought 17,300 or 400 17,300. That was look trading at 22. Went high up to 95, followed by 350. From all the way 29 up to 119. Best was the 17,450 put, from all the way 50 to all 50 rupees previous close, went up to 175. So look at this. Okay, now what are the DFIs are planning, and DI is also what they're planning. Let us watch. Let us watch peacefully now. What, not peacefully, actually more attractive. What are they doing? Meanwhile, I'm telling you guys now, Nifty is trading below the 200-day moving average. So you need to guess now, not guess. You need to anticipate whether it's gonna go up, or is there's gonna be a more selling pressure in it. Let us watch. Look at that, further selling in it. Let us watch. Sorry for that. So let us watch now. Literally, markets are completely boring. No much fun action. I've been sitting in it when I was not streaming, so I couldn't find anything much more in it. More selling. Looks like that. Look, let us watch. Completely deviated market now. No idea what it's planning to do. So it's all over there. Silicon Valley Bank crashed 60% after it launched. $1.75 billion capital raise to make up for a billion loss from a forced sale of its securities portfolio. So now everyone are anticipating for a crash. Let us watch. Now they're anticipating for a crash to happen. So let us watch. Anything is possible, they're telling. So at 140, let us watch. What are they intending to do? Slow and steadily they're getting the prices down, or what? Let us watch. Slow and steadily they're making the price up, so let us pay attention. Market is completely deviated, nothing more else. This was just, I was just sitting in front of the market trying to analyze. So this is what I've been finding. Look at this long bar, 1 2, and this was a good gain momentum. Then again selling pressure at this level, so I'll just put this is the closing, but I'll put this is the first resistance it's facing. Instead of that, I put the majority. Okay, this is the target. So look at that. By this we can clearly get that this is gonna act as an important level. If this support is if it's taken as a support level, then look at this target will be easily made, because look at the continuous rejection. That's the reason. Let us watch. For me, if you ask, it's better to avoid. It's coming towards day low now somehow. More sell pressure in SBI and ICICI Bank. Once again selling pressure. Okay, now it's led by HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank is slowly losing its momentum. That bank was the one that was holding Bank Nifty. Now that is the one dragging the Bank Nifty. So let us watch. Let us watch. Now coming towards day low. Slow and steadily coming towards day low. So call writers are active. Let us watch. Yes, further low. Bank Nifty coming towards the low. Let us watch. If this level is breached, better to avoid it. Meanwhile, what's my holdings position? 100 rupees loss. What should I do? If he okay, what should I do, guys? Should I wait, or it's better to avoid it, right? It's better to avoid it. So I'll just avoid it. I'll take the hit, no worries. I'll take the hit. I'll take the hit, no worries. But I feel somehow it's better to avoid. Let us watch. I don't want to fight in the trend. And kept a stop loss and I have achieved it, no worries. Meanwhile, let us watch. If I want, I can enter at this level too. If I enter at this level, then I should exit at this level. But I'm taking a deep out of the money one, which I don't want to. What to do? What to do? 143 is the P and 42. Look at that. That's the reason I exited. Meanwhile, SBI is too coming towards day low. ICICI Bank coming towards day low. So it's okay. I'll just avoid it now. I'll just see what they're planning to do. I'll wait for a couple of candlesticks. No worries if I miss it. Meanwhile, in a rectangular form, Nifty is just breaking towards the downside. Looks like it. Breaking towards down end. Okay, so look at that. This was a good realization. I exited early. So look at that, 41. I think instead of yesterday 0 to hero trade, today would have been better. But no worries. Let us watch now. So coming towards day low now, Bank Nifty coming towards day low. Near day low, guys. So let us watch. So it managed to break the day low and took a quick bounce. Managed to break it. So let us watch. So further coming low. Further it's coming low. So which one is dragging it? SBI is the one dragging it, or ICICI is dragging it. Now HDFC2 dragging it down. further coming towards the low. So let us watch. Let us watch, guys. Okay, some good level bounce coming. Good level bounce coming. What's happening over here? Okay, trading there itself. No worries. So now let us watch what FIs will do. Should I buy now 42,000? That's what I'm thinking. I'm not thinking now. Look, according to this, support is somehow holding it up. Support level is coming. But do you think today it might close above 40,693? I don't know, brother. It might close, I guess. I guess it might close. It might close, I feel. So look at that strong candlesticks. Meanwhile, look at that. Okay, so this was my intention was correct, I guess. Let us watch what they're planning to do. Trading at 44. So now it's 155. Let us watch what they're planning to do, because market is not at all okay. Now look at that, some buying emerging. Is it some buying emerging? Come at 43 itself. Is it some buying emerging now? So look at that strong candlestick emerging. Strong candlesticks emerging. Is this the climax? Is it the W pattern? Let us watch now. Looks like to be it. Which is the one that is leading now? Okay, ICICI Bank making a W pattern. ICICI is now leading it. So let us pay attention. ICICI Bank is somehow helping it. I'm telling you the resistance is 40,630. So 40,630, you need to stay cautious. Some rejection it's facing over there. Now ICICI Bank again above 840 levels. We're making some shooting star pattern in ICICI Bank, so that's the reason I'll be a little cautious. ICICI Bank leading the Bank Nifty now. ICICI Bank somehow helping it. Now HDFC started to fall. Even ICICI giving it up. ICICI Bank giving it up. SBI too somehow holding it. So already top two sectors, almost all sectors are down. All because of the fact of that one bank fall 60%. Two o'clock. Now let us watch the fun action. Further weakness in Bank Nifty, guys. Further weakness, no doubt. The FIs have not yet entered, so let us watch what they plan to do. So what is the plan now? Let us watch, because completely look at the choppiness in the market. It's not even making any pattern. But for one thing is for sure, it's still in a downward trend. Just catch this moment. Just see this. So look at that. Simple. You found the trend now. You have found the trend now. So what you do every time whenever it raises up to here, you can sell it. Or what they're planning now, let us watch. Completely market has been oversold in 5 minutes frame, but in day trading, day form or daily chat, it's not yet oversold. Not yet oversold. So now let us watch what are they planning. Further weakness in Bank Nifty. So good that I exited. I didn't want to burn hands. No worries, today I just drank 10 cups of coffee for 100 rupees. So now Nifty 2 supporting the fall. Once again day low. Let us watch now. Good level of function. Now what is happening? Are they selling high or what? Let us watch. Important levels to do. SBI towards day low, followed by ICICI Bank coming towards day low. HDFC is the one that's holding it up. What they're trying to do, let us watch. Look at that now. So now look at that. Completely, guys, I'm telling you, market is filled with writers today because both the side premium is high, so obviously they're gonna make it. Meanwhile, 210. So let us watch how the trade will go now. Because both the side the market is just choppy. What is happening? So good level of buying and rejection. So now it's completely sideways choppy market. Still the FIs have not entered. I guess from next time we need to start entering at 2 o'clock. We need to enter at 2 o'clock. We need to start streaming 2, then we'll be having idea. Even 1:31 is it's not efficient time. Now look at that. What's happening? Let us watch. Keep watching now. Market may go towards any side. Are they planning to sell at the higher levels or are they planning to buy at the lower levels? Nothing. Confusion in market. Total confusion in it. Let us watch. Just pay attention. So look at that, good level of buying. So finally we are able to see a moment of what. Let us watch. Meanwhile, it's over. Now look at that strong momentum. Is it the strong momentum or not? Let us find now. Or they just want to sell it at high. Let us watch. So HDFC now somehow unable to hold above 1 for 1050 5090, unable to hold it, somehow unable to hold it. I guess they just want to sell at the higher level. So it's completely stuck. So let us watch what they're planning to do. So look at that, I've been telling clearly they just want to sell on rise. They just clearly want to sell. I guess that's the idea behind it. So now let us watch. So look at that. Is this gonna be a new trend? Let us watch. I'm waiting for it. I'm waiting for a new trend to happen. So somehow Bank Nifty is creating a descending triangle. So look at the, if you just see this, you can clearly see it's the descending triangle. So either way until here, that is up to, oh no, just hold here. So look at this. So up to this level, no idea where it may head. I just catch this moment. So now is the important level. Let us watch important levels. This is the time frame now. We'll get to know what, or is it gonna close flat itself. It's in a descending triangle pattern. Breakout to any side is the final breakout, guys. Let us watch Bank Nifty creating a descending triangle. Descending triangle where it's making low constantly and stuck in the support region. So either ways it's gonna break like this with a retest, or it's gonna break like this. Just a minute. So it's gonna come like this and retest, then breakout. So anything is possible. Let us watch. So now let us watch. It may break to here and head towards day high, or it may break and head towards day low, 4200. So important level, just watch now, 218. So let us watch what it's gonna do. So it's buying at bottom level, selling at the higher level, stuck in this range. Nothing else it's been doing or acting out. So let us watch. Okay, now ICICI Bank just broke. ICICI Bank, sorry, HDFC broke towards day low. HDFC broke towards day low. HDFC Bank. So now let us watch. HDFC is breaking down, then obviously Bank Nifty will be dragged down. But I guess now SBI too coming towards day low. Guys, Bank Nifty is gonna break down. Bank Nifty is gonna break down. Somehow the ICICI is holding up to today. But let us watch. HDFC is taking the hit, followed by even SBIN taking the hit. So yes, you can see the three black crows once again. So let us watch. Is it gonna go for day low or what? So important level, either side breakout is confirmed, but let us wait and watch which side it's gonna be the first. I have 10 more minutes. taking some support. ICICI is holding it now. Actually, ICICI is holding the bank Nifty bank. Let us watch now. Anytime any side breakout is must. 3 more minutes. So now let us watch. Meanwhile, no trades today also from my side. I'll wait for expiry then. If not Friday, then Tuesday and Thursday I'll be waiting for trading. Other than that, no more trades. That's it. Closing of this candlestick, I'll get an idea. Let us watch. So now look at that, stuck in the range, completely stuck in the range. So now let us watch slow and steadily what they're gonna do. More 5 minutes. Let us watch. So guys, we'll be ending the stream now. So tomorrow Monday we'll be meeting again. Let us watch.